Hello everyone, welcome to Natural Home Remedies. Today we are going to make delicious chicken masala rice. It's a very quick and easy recipe, so everyone can make it at home. Please do not use if you are allergic to any of the ingredients we use in this recipe. With a very few ingredients, you can make this recipe. Now let's see what are the ingredients. The ingredients of chicken masala rice are 4 cups of rice, half kilogram of boiled shredded chicken, 5 to 6 green chilies, 4 to 5 eggs, 1 large chopped onion, half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of black pepper. Quarter teaspoon of white pepper, 2 tablespoons of soya sauce, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, 2 tablespoons of chicken powder, mixed herbs, half teaspoon. If you don't want to use mixed herbs, you can leave them. Half cup of oil, quarter teaspoon of garlic powder. Add more green chilies and black pepper if you want to make it more spicy. Now let's see the preparation of masala for this recipe. Take a bowl and add green chilies, soya sauce, vinegar and all dry ingredients. Then mix them properly. Now add eggs and mix them as well. In a pan, take oil, add onion and fry it for 5 minutes. Then add quarter teaspoon of garlic powder and mix it properly. Then add shredded chicken and crushed black pepper and cook it for 10 minutes. Now it's time to add egg mixture and cook until everything gets mixed. Check salt and pepper according to your taste. You can add more salt and pepper if you want. Masala is ready. The next stage is preparation of rice. In a large pan, add water and let it boil. When water boils, add 2 tablespoons of salt and rice and let them cook until 3/4 done. You don't have to fully cook the rice. Check salt in the rice. If it's less, then you can add more. Strain them and add them in the pan again. In the strained rice, Add the cooked chicken masala and mix it. Then cover and put the pan on low flame for 10 to 15 minutes until the rice cooks properly. After 15 minutes, turn off the flame. Mix all the rice with spoon properly and slowly. Your tasty and yummy chicken masala rice are ready to eat. It's a very easy and quick recipe. If you're expecting any guests, you can even make it within half an hour. Serve chicken masala rice with Manchurian or raita as per your choice. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel to get more amazing recipes. Bye bye.